Hello everyone, I hope you had a great weekend. I promised you some eggless recipes, so I had recently posted a video for some eggless oat and coconut cookies. I hope you got a chance to try them. Today let's make some eggless oat and date bars. There's a ton of nuts and seeds in this. There is dates, cinnamon, sesame and date syrup in these. Very flavorful and indulgent. Just the kind of thing you might want to gift people for Diwali or for Christmas. I've made slight modifications to the original recipe to suit our preference. You can try to modify this to your taste. You can find the ingredient list in the description box below the video. You could also read this recipe on my blog. As with most bars like this, these are also very easy to make, but be very careful as we do not want these to burn, so please do watch the video carefully. There are two more similar recipes for eggless bars on the channel. Please do check those as well. So to make these bars, we need some quick cooking oats. You could also use old-fashioned rolled oats if you prefer that. I've taken part of the oats and then processed these. We do not want them to become a fine powder. We just want them coarsely ground like this. I have some almonds here. These are toasted and coarsely chopped. We have some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. Both of these are toasted. Be careful not to overdo the toasting of these seeds as they might burn in the oven later. There are some cashew nuts here. These are raw. There are some sesame seeds. These are raw as well. There's some soft dates, a pinch of salt. There's some ground cinnamon. I have some soft unsalted butter. There's some date syrup. There's some caster sugar and a tiny bit of orange juice. We need the zest of one really fresh orange. I have this 8-inch square tin here lined with baking parchment. My oven is preheated to 170 degrees centigrade. And now in this bowl here, we'll take the whole oats, the processed oats, the salt and the cinnamon. And we'll whisk these just to combine them well. And now we'll add the nuts. And then the dates. These generally tend to clump up, so we'll need to separate these. And now keep this aside, and now all we need to do is heat the rest of the ingredients, the soft unsalted butter, the sugar, the date syrup. We just need to heat these together so that they combine well. There's no need to boil this or heat it too much. And now we'll take this off the heat and then grate the zest of this orange directly into the saucepan here. This way we'll not lose out on any of the precious aromatic oils in the orange zest. And now we'll stir in the orange juice. And now dump in the oats and the nut mixture. And mix well. The consistency of the mixture will be something like this. And now we'll need to transfer this mixture to the tin. And press it down firmly using a spatula. Pressing it in very firmly is very important, or your bars will be crumbly, but they'll still taste good. With so many seeds, nuts and dates in these bars, you can expect plenty of texture. And now into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Please do check this around 15 minutes. We need these to turn only a light golden brown on top. If in doubt, bake these for lesser time than for more time. You could always bake these bars for a few minutes more if you feel the need to. The bars may feel soft when you remove them from the oven, but they will firm up as they continue to cool. Make sure you cut the bars into pieces when the bars are still soft. I like using a greased bench scraper for this. We'll let the bars cool completely in the tin on a cooling rack. Please do share your feedback and any pictures you take of these bars if you try these. I'd love to see them. More recipes coming up. Please subscribe and stay tuned.